Hi everyone. Today we're deploying a VyOS on Azure and enabling SSH to log into the router. Let's begin. With the account, subscription, and resource group ready, we look for the VyOS image in the marketplace and start the process. Select the VyOS image from the marketplace and click Create. We select our subscription and resource group, name the VM, and confirm the West Europe region. In availability options, we leave no infrastructure redundancy required. We confirm the VyOS universal router image and pick a standard B2S size. Very important, security type must be standard. For access, we choose SSH public key with the user VyOS and let Azure generate a new key pair, giving it a name. For public inbound ports, we leave it on None because we'll open SSH access in a controlled way with the security group in the networking step. In the licensing section, we select the other option and confirm that we have read and accept the marketplace licensing terms. We keep the default premium SSD and mark it to delete with the VM. In the Networking tab, we create the VMs network, a new virtual network with its subnet, a public IP to reach it, and we enable SSH access through the security group. We apply the configurations and proceed step by step, leaving the default values in the Management, Monitoring, Advanced, and Tag sections until we finally reach the Review and Create section, where we will continue with the final review prior to the creation of the virtual machine. We review the configuration and click Create. Azure will prompt us to download the newly generated private key. We download it now since it's the only chance. We wait for it to finish, open the VM, and copy its public IP. Finally, from the terminal, we connect over SSH with the VyOS user and the new key we just downloaded. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial.